Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, February 13th. Time is 9:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here is what I am looking at, and I'm actually in this trade right now. Long 10 contracts, 5308. So big push down. We still have not reached the oversold area or the 100 tick, so I got a little leery on this one. But I'm seeing these aggressive prints right here. This was huge. I mean, massive for this time of morning. 1,303 orders lifting the offer there. And it's starting to push up just a bit. So I wanted to watch and see if we can see if it's going to continue to push up. I don't really expect a reversal just yet, though. I still think we have some more work to do on the downside. Probably down here to the 1.5 deviation or so. But I think I can easily pull 10 ticks out of this one. So, okay, guys, I'm going to watch this one for a bit, and we'll see if we can get on up out of this trade. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half off at 53.16 for 8 ticks. So, and stop is going to be sitting at break even at this moment. So, all right. What this is unfinished business right in this area. Having a tough time pushing up through that, but I think it probably will. So what my thought is, we're going to bang up against the 8 moving average, and then we're probably going to head south again. Dollar is really strong this morning. It's up 129 ticks. So yeah, I think when that strength comes, I think we're going to head south, and then probably we'll be looking at a bullish week just for early analysis. So we'll see. All right, guys, let's sit back and watch and be back shortly. All right, stopped out on that one at 5308, looking at this close that may happen below the 200-day moving average, and if that's the case, the bears will pretty much own this morning, I do believe. So I will look for a pullback, actually probably right in this area, and we'll look to take this one short here. So a lot of orders built up in this area. These big prints here should have really pushed it up a lot higher than it went, and it wasn't able to sustain. So I think we're probably going to keep on heading south. So I want to wait for this bar to close, though. And what is that right there? So I'd like to get short somewhere around 53.15. That would be ideal. Right here on these, just below these unfinished areas. That should be finished now. Should be. So, all right, guys, we'll see. I'll let you know where we get in it. All right, went ahead and jumped it right at 53.15. Stop is sitting at 53.23 right now. 8 tick stop. And look to pull half off at 53.05 and see if we can work this trade on downwards. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, got half off there, 53.05. Stop is going to be moved to break even at this moment. And we'll see if we can continue to push down from this point here. So if we can push on through this low, then I think we got a shot of running a 1.5 deviation. We've reached the sold area, though, so just going to continue to watch at that point. But the dollar is still really strong this morning, so which says bears can probably just run this joker for a bit, and then we may have a bullish week on top of that. It's really difficult to say. I don't look long term like that. Okay, but at this moment, I'm just going to watch for a bit. So, all right, see you in a bit. Okay, we got stopped out at that one, and with this close above this 8 moving average, I think we're just going to remain in chop for a little bit. So I think I'm just going to play the chop roll. Let's see what we have here. Extremes are around 53.18 to 53.05. Might play it down there. Okay. All right, guys. I'll be back. I'll let you know when I get back into a trade. All right. We're going to try this short. 10 contracts, 53.18. All right. Here. And I'm going to pull all 10 off at 53.08 down here. So, and if this is the case, then this may be my last trade of the morning. And we'll see how that works at that point. All right, guys. Be back shortly. All right, guys, stepped away for quite a bit, actually. I was talking to my father, and he's a little bit long-winded. So, anyway, I forgot where I got in. 53, I forgot where, it's 53.18, somewhere back here. And, I pulled all 10 off 53.08, so I am out of the trade, and I'm actually done trading. Looks like it would have been a decent trade to hang on to. But I knew this was going to be a quick morning, so still feeling a little woozy. So got a few ticks under my pocket on this one here. And yeah, like I said, Bears is going to run this one this morning. Looks like it. So, but at this point, I'm going to wrap it up and look like Bulls may start to step in here. I see some aggressive buying coming in. So it depends on if they can push it up at this point. So we are at 100 ticks now at crude oil, and that's typically the range I like to look at for reversals when it does this big push down anyway. Dollar's still really strong, but it's starting to stagnate just a hair. So if it starts dropping, then the oil will start shooting back up. Typically anyway. So anyway, guys, I'm done for trading for today. So it was a good morning, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. All right, bye.